ABB Saltillo is located in a big industrial cluster in the north of Mexico. We started operations 24 years ago. We currently employ more than 1,000 employees. We serve the residential and commercial segments with reliable, diverse, and complete portfolio. This portfolio includes load centers, modular metering, safety switches, among other solutions that enhances the safety and efficiency of buildings.
ABB Saltillo Electrification's Smart Buildings facility started its sustainability journey in 2019 with Clean Industry certification that is a local program with the environmental agency. Then, in 2020, we continued with the installation of motion detectors, internal LED, and external photovoltaic lighting, also taking advantage of natural light to reduce the reliance on conventional electrical sources.
The strategy of the site is using ABB Ability, a smart energy management system, and over 1,000 PV panels to achieve a 10% reduction of energy consumption, while meeting additional energy requirements through the purchasing of IREX. Additionally, the installation of ABB's Terra AC wall boxes for electrical vehicles, sharing underscore the site commitment to sustainable transportation.
The implementation of smart building technology and photovoltaics have collectively helped to the site in reducing carbon emissions by 80%. This represents over 4,800 tons of CO2 equivalent in the past 2 years.
This reduction not only reflects the electricity consumption of more than 900 homes for an entire year. Through these efforts, ABB Saltillo is among the 15% of the companies in the industrial park that have implemented sustainable actions to mitigate environmental impact. Committed to water conservation, the site sends over the 60% of the water it consumes to a wastewater treatment plant where it is repurposed for gardening. These actions especially contribute to reducing the problem of the water depletion, considering that ABB Saltillo is located in Coahuila, a state with the fourth highest water stress in Mexico as an effect of the increasing population and industrial activity.
Our Saltillo facility follows the guidelines of the Mission to Zero initiative, showcasing our commitment to a more sustainable future. Our team's sustainability efforts are a solid example of how smart buildings initiatives can achieve the dual outcomes of cost savings and sustainability. This is just the beginning. Future plans for the site include the implementation of Siron HVAC controls, as well as submitting for ISO 50001 energy management and zero waste to landfill certification.